This is a review of the Audi A1 1.4 TFSI Sportback, where performance meets precision and every drive becomes a statement of style. Engineered for both form and function, the slide spoiler doesn't just elevate the A1 Sportsback aesthetic, it optimizes aerodynamics, ensuring better grip and control at higher speeds. Experience seamless handling and enhanced stability thanks to the slide spoiler that keeps you grounded, no matter how dynamic the drive. Step inside and you're greeted by a sport bucket style semi-leather seats, designed for the drivers who demand both comfort and control. The seats cradle you with precision, offering the perfect blend of support and luxury for every journey. With ergonomic contours and premium materials, these seats are not just about style, they're about creating an immersive driving experience where comfort meets performance. Under the bonnet, the 1.4 TFSI engine delivers an impressive 125 horsepower, striking the perfect balance between exhilarating performance and remarkable efficiency. Whether you're cruising through city streets or tackling the open road, the A1 Sportback responds with agility and precision. With advanced turbocharging technology, the 1.4 TFSI engine ensures you get more out of every litre, combining power with fuel efficiency so you can go further without compromise. The Audi A1 Sportback isn't just about driving. It's about staying connected. With the intuitive system, you're always in control. Effortlessly access navigation, media, and more, all at your fingertips. Stay in touch with the world around you, thanks to seamless smartphone integration, so you can focus on the road ahead without missing a beat. TFSI Sportback stands out with its sophisticated design and unmistakable presence. This is a car that turns heads, no matter where your journey takes you. The Audi A1 1.4 TFSI Sportback, where every detail is crafted to perfection. Drive the difference, embrace the extraordinary. Frequently asked questions about the Audi A1 1.4 TFSI Sportback. What engine does the Audi A1 1.4 TFSI Sportback have? The Audi A1 is equipped with a 1.4 TFSI engine that delivers 125 horsepower, balancing performance with fuel efficiency. How does the slide spoiler affect the car's performance? The slide spoiler enhances the car's aerodynamics, providing improved stability and grip at higher speeds, making your drive more controlled and enjoyable. What is the fuel efficiency of the car? Thanks to advanced turbocharging technology, the 1.4 TFSI engine offers excellent fuel efficiency, allowing you to get more out of every litre. Does the Audi A1 Sportback come with smartphone integration? Yes, the Audi A1 Sportback features seamless smartphone integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring you stay connected while on the go. What type of seats does the car have? The A1 Sportback comes with sport bucket style semi-leather seats, offering a mix of comfort and luxury with ergonomic contours designed for an immersive driving experience. What infotainment system is available in the Audi A1 Sportback? The Sportback is equipped with the Audi MMI infotainment system, allowing easy access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings through a user-friendly digital display. Is this car good for city driving? Yes, the compact yet dynamic design combined with responsive handling and advanced driving dynamics makes the Audi A1 Sportback perfect for city driving. What are the key features of the car? Key features include a 1.4 TFSI engine, slide spoiler, sport bucket style seats, MMI infotainment system, and smartphone integration, blending performance with modern technology. What is the Audi A1 TFSI Sportback's unique selling point? The Audi A1 Sportback combines style, performance, and advanced technology in a compact package, making every drive a statement of precision and sophistication. Additional details. The Audi A1 1.4 TFSI Sportback is designed for drivers who value a blend of performance and style. Its 1.4 TFSI engine delivers a robust driving experience without sacrificing fuel efficiency, making it suitable for both city streets and open roads. The exterior's dynamic stance and contrasting black roof add a touch of elegance, while the slide spoiler enhances the car's aerodynamics. Inside, the sport bucket style semi-leather seats provide ergonomic support for a comfortable drive, coupled with an advanced Audi MMI infotainment system that keeps you connected at all times. Whether it's the seamless smartphone integration or the intuitive dashboard layout, the A1 Sportback offers a driving experience that's as connected as it is exhilarating. This vehicle is not just about getting from A to B. It's about enjoying the journey with the perfect balance of technology, performance, and luxury. I hope you've enjoyed this review of the Audi A1 1.4 TFSI Sportback. If you'd like to get a car with us, go to carnights.co.uk and you can browse our vehicles that we have available. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. What are your thoughts on the Audi A1? Do you have any concerns about the car? What do you like about the car? We'd love to hear from you in the comments below.